In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export emails from Microsoft Outlook to Microsoft Excel. If you need to save email information in a format that's easier to sort, filter, or review, exporting from Outlook to a file that Excel can open is a very practical solution. This is especially helpful if you want to organize messages, track communication, or create a simple backup of view of email data in spreadsheet form. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer and make sure the app is fully loaded. Once Outlook is open, go to the top left corner of the window and click File. This takes you to the main account and settings area where Outlook gives you access to import and export tools. From there, click Open and Export. This section includes options for moving data into or out of Outlook. Next, select Import/Export. When the Import and Export wizard opens, you'll see several different choices, so take a moment to make sure you select the correct one. Choose Export to a file, then continue to the next screen. This option allows you to create a file containing information from Outlook that can be used in another program. On the following screen, select comma-separated values. This is important because a CSV file can be opened easily in Microsoft Excel and is one of the most common formats for transferring table-based data. After that, click Next, and then choose the folder you want to export from. This step matters because Outlook stores different types of content in separate folders. For example, if you want to export your email messages, you'll need to select the appropriate mail folder. Be sure to choose carefully so you export the correct data. Once you've selected the folder, click Next again. You'll now be asked where you want to save the exported file. Click Browse, then choose the location on your computer where you want the file to be stored. It's a good idea to save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or documents folder. You can also give the file a clear name so it's easier to recognize later. After choosing the location, click OK. Finally, click Finish to begin the export. Outlook will then create the file for you. Once the export is complete, you can open Microsoft Excel and load the CSV file to view your exported email data in spreadsheet format. That's all it takes. If you follow each step carefully, you'll be able to move your Outlook email data into Excel quickly and efficiently.